in today's cookbook, what I'm going to be making for you is a tomato and basil bruschetta. But I've changed it around a little bit. So we're going to put tomato, we're going to put actually fresh flat leaf parsley because I really am in love with that leaf at the moment. This is just pine nuts that are crushed. I'm just toasting them a little bit. Nicely toasted. I'm going to be putting a little olive oil into this. And I'm going to be sauteing garlic. Meanwhile, what I have here is this beautiful sourdough bread from my friend's patisserie Sparrow in Hyderabad. So this is what I'm going to be using for my bruschetta. I'm just going to be cutting this into really fine slices, like so. And I'm just going to toast it. Now that the oil is nice and hot here, I'm going to be cooking the garlic. I'm going to cook this a little bit. So our garlic is cooked. Keep this to the side. Just turn this around so it gets beautifully toasted. Alright, now in this, just a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to add another tablespoon of fresh lime juice. I'm going to take our bread, which is beautifully toasted. I'm going to take some fresh mozzarella and just put them here on the base. Now, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to be taking some fresh tomato. I'm going to be adding fresh parsley, then the garlic, and a little bit of the balsamic, olive oil, and lemon mix. Give this a lovely stir, and now put this onto your sourdough bread. And that's it. Have a bite. Yum. And so simple.